Student, now we start the chapter 1 Geography, the planet Earth, and the solar system. We can see countless glittering tiny objects in the sky at night. Most of these appear twinkling. The other glittering objects which do not seem to be twinkling may be planets. During the day, we see the sun, which is also a star. The sun and the twinkling object that we see at night are called stars. All the objects that we see in the sky, the sun, moon, and the millions of brightest objects are called the celestial bodies. They seem to be hanging from the space which the ancients called heaven. Galaxies. A galaxy is a huge system of stars. It has millions of stars very close to one another. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. Milky Way galaxy, Ganga, billions of other solar systems in our galaxy, and billions of galaxies in the universe. One galaxy is equal to 100 million stars. Our Earth, along with other planets, form the solar system. The solar system is located the outward spiral or Orion arms of the Milky Way galaxy, Akashganga. Most likely, there are billions of other solar system is our galaxy and billions of galaxies in the universe. As we know, there are different type of celestial bodies in the universe. Let us learn about some of them. Stars. Stars are self-luminous heavenly bodies. They are made up of hot gases. They generate heat and light and radiate it in the space. The number of stars is countless. We cannot see all of them at a time. We see only 6,000 at a time. It has been said that at one time we can see not more than 6,000 stars. The stars are very huge bodies. They look very small as they are very far away from the earth. The distance between celestial body is usually measured in a unit known as light year. Some stars are so far away that the light radiated by them reach us in a millions of years. The nearest star to the earth other than the sun is the Proxima Centauri. It is about 4.5 light years away from us. Constellation. Group of stars called constellation. One such constellation, it is a Saptarishi constellation that always point to the pole star which constantly shine on the north pole. Ursa Major, also called Great Bear, is a constellation of several stars. It appears in the northern sky in India. The seven stars are called Saptarishi Mandal, is a part of a Great Bear. There are several others formation of stars which have been given name by the astronomers. The two brightest stars at the head of the Saptarishi Mandal called pointers towards the stationary star called pole star or Dhrutara. In the northern sky, pole star lie above the north pole. It always indicates the north direction. India and Greeks have been studying the shape and pattern of stars since ancient time. In modern time, the space scientists and astronomers use power and large-size telescope to study the celestial body. आज के दिन में लार्ज साइज जो टेलीस्कोप होते हैं उससे इनका अध्ययन किया जाता है. The solar system. Solar system, it included the sun, the planet, and their satellite. and other heavenly bodies. The eight planets, their companions, satellite, asteroid, meteors, and comets are the member of the solar system. They all revolve around the sun on their fixed path called orbit. How a question sometimes arises in our mind: how were the sun and its companions born? The evolution of the solar system. Some scientists believe that a gantt of cloud of gas and dust called the nebula appeared moving in the space about 4.6 billions of years ago. It cooled and gained very fast rotation. The eight balls of gases of different size were separate from the nebula. The remaining central mass of the nebula changed into a star known as the Sun. The other eight balls changed into planet. It is believed that the satellites were formed when small ball of gases separated from the central mass and were attached by their companion planets. They began to revolve around the planet. साइंटिस्ट लोगों का मानना है कि फोर आज से 4.6 बिलियन ईयर एगो इतने सालों पहले एक निबोला जो गैस का क्लाउड था उसमें जो थे वो बहुत तेजी से घूमता था, फास्ट रोटेशन होता था और तेजी से ही वो ठंडा भी हुआ करता था। और उसी से ही 8 बॉल्स जो निकली उससे हमारे अलग अलग जो प्लैनेट बने हैं और एक एक बॉल निकली उसमें से सन बना है। निबोला निबोला जो था वो चेंज हो गया इसमें सन में। द अदर 8 प्लैनेट 8 बॉल्स चेंज इनटू प्लैनेट और जो 8 बॉल्स थी वो प्लैनेट में चेंज हो गई। तो इसी से हमारी पृथ्वी का ये हमारे सोलर सिस्टम का निर्माण हुआ है। द सन। द सन इज अ स्टार। A star does not have a solid surface, but it is a ball of gases held together by its own gravity. Life is not possible on Earth without the sun. It generates heat and light and radiates them into space. Sun is the center of our solar system. Life would not be possible on Earth without the sun. The sun is about 1.3 million times bigger than our Earth. The distance between the Earth and the sun is about 150 million kilometers. It is the nearest star to the Earth as compared to other 1.3 मिलियन टाइम बिगर है हमारे अर्थ से ये, ठीक है। और 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस है जो कि सबसे नज़दीक है हमारी पृथ्वी के। It is the nearest star to the Earth as compared to other stars. The ray of the sun reach the Earth's surface is about 8 minutes. सूर्य की किरणें पृथ्वी तक पहुंचने में 8 मिनट का समय लगता है। The planet. Planets are heavenly bodies which receive light from heat from the sun. They do not have their own light. The total number of planets in the solar system are 8 in order of their distance from the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury has a thin atmosphere. The day are very hot but night temperature drop hundreds a degree. Below freezing point. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet due to its volcanic activities and thick atmosphere. It spins backward. Earth, our home planet, is the only planet which supports life due to its optimum amount of heat, light and oxygen. Mars, known as red planet, is a cold desert. Its atmosphere is too thin for liquid water to exist from long on the surface. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune having rings. The rings around Jupiter are very faint and hence cannot be seen by naked eye. The atmosphere of Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. Other than these gases, Uranus has methane which give blue tint to it. Neptune is similar in compositions of Uranus, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium along with trace of hydrocarbons and nitrogen. It also contains a higher proportions of ammonia and methane. Now we see earlier, do you know? Earlier Pluto was considered as the ninth planet. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union IAU established a new category dwarf planet for Aries and Pluto. The ring around Saturn were first seen by Galileo, a great astronomer of Italy, through his telescope in 1610 AD. The rotation time and revolution time of 8 planets are as follows. Mercury rotation time 59 days, revolution time 88 days. Then you see all these planets rotation time and revolution time. Earth 24 hour and 365 days and 6 hours. The Earth unique planet. The Earth a unique planet because the Earth on which we live is a place at third position in order of the distance from the Sun. It ranked fifth in the size. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis from west to east direction in about 24 hours, which make one day. Its revolution around the Sun is covered in 365 and 6 hours, which make one year. Earth is called a unique planet because favorable conditions to support life are found only on the Earth. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Earth has surface water which is very necessary for our survival. It has life giving oxygen and the ozone layer which protect us from the harmful ray of the sun. Satellite. The heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets are called satellite. Our Earth has one satellite moon, Saturn 53, Jupiter 50, Uranus 27, Neptune 13 and Mars 2 satellite. The moon, our nearest companions. Moon. The moon, Earth satellite known as moon. It is about 1/4 of the Earth diameter and it is about 384,000 km away from the Earth. It reflects the light of sun which reach the Earth in 1 and a quarter second. Moon complete its revolution round the Earth in 27 days and 7 hours. Phases of moon. We have already learned that one side of the moon gets illuminated by the sun, which is visible to us. The positions of the moon is relation to the sun change even day when the illuminated side of the moon is fully hidden from our view. It is called new moon, Amavasya. The visible portion goes increase gradually, day by day. After the new moon day, at first the moon appears in certain shapes. On 8th day, half portion of the moon come in our view. The full moon become visible after 15 days, when half of its revolution is completed. The day when the moon is completely visible to us is the full moon day, Purnima. After this day, The decline of the moon illuminated part starts. The illuminated part slowly disappear and the moon again come to the position of new moon. Now you see in this picture new moon, full moon, then after new moon. The phases of the moon are used to determine the lunar date and to fix the durations of lunar month in India and Arab countries. The Hindu and the Muslim festival such as Diwali and Eid are usually fixed on the basis of lunar dates and month. Other celestial bodies in the solar system. Apart from the sun, star, planet, and satellite, there are other celestial bodies also like asteroids, meteoroids, and comets that revolve around the sun. Asteroids. Asteroids are rocky space objects that orbit our sun. These can be few feet wide to several hundred miles wide. Most asteroids orbits our sun. A star is a region of space between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter known as asteroid belts. Meteoroids are little chunks of rocks and debris in space. They become meteors or shooting stars when they fall through the Earth's atmosphere, leaving a bright trail as they are heated by the frictions of the atmosphere. Most of them break up in the atmosphere before they can strike the surface as a meteors. Comets Comets are the small bodies which a head and long luminous tail. They are made up of dust and frozen gases. They appear in the sky after a long period. A comet known as Halley comet appear in the sky after every 76-year interval. Now complete this lesson. Okay, thank you, student.